So this is John, 9 months old, already climbing the stairs by himself, and he's not really walking. But he saw his brother upstairs, so he's going to take his ball and go and play. Papa, yeah, you see the ball? Brother, is that what you're saying, brother? Brother? You say Adam?
Daddy! Take him up!
He's trying.
He is trying. Daddy, come on! I'm gonna catch him. I'm gonna catch Johnny.
I guess we need to start putting the thing at the bottom of the steps. I think that's far enough for him.
Johnny!